Hi, second graders. Happy Wednesday. Our math learning target today is I can learn how to subtract from 3-digit numbers with a 0 in the ones or tens place. What I want you to do is grab a whiteboard, notebook, or your math workbook and write down this equation. And I want you to draw your quick hundreds and quick ones for the total, which is 508. So go ahead and draw your quick hundreds and quick ones. Here is my quick hundreds and quick ones. I have 5 hundreds, 0 tens, and I have 8 ones. Now remember, I'm taking away 346 from 508. So I don't need to make my quick hundreds, tens, and ones of 346 because I'm taking that amount away from my total. So we need to subtract the 300s, 4 tens, 6 ones, and 346 from 500s, 8 ones. Are there enough tens and ones and 500s, 8 ones? Yeah, there are enough ones, but there are not enough tens. So how can we get more tens? What can we do to get more tens? Good. Ungroup 100 to get 10 tens. So go ahead and show on your drawing you ungrouping 100 to get 10 tens. Okay, so this is what you should have drawn on in your notebook. I crossed off a 100 because I needed to ungroup it. And how many tens do I get from ungrouping that 100? 10 tens. So I showed right here my 10 tens from ungrouping that 100. Okay, so I showed it here up at the top. Notice my magnifying glass, it's zooming in on that total. Okay, the value does not change. This is still 508. Even though I crossed it off and it looks different, but it's still 508. So now I have 4 hundreds left. If I look over here, it matches. I have 4 hundreds. And then I have 10 tens now. Before I had 0 tens, but since I ungrouped 100, I have 10 tens. And then I have my 8 ones. So now that I have this all set up on top and I see that it matches, now I can start subtracting. I want you to pause this video and try to subtract it yourself and show your proof drawing. And then you can hit the play button again once you're finished. Okay, so I know that I'm taking 300s away from 400s. So I crossed off my 300s here. And how many hundreds am I left with? 100. Now I'm taking 4 tens away from 10 tens. So I went over here and I crossed off my 4 tens. How many tens am I left with? 6 tens. So I put it here in the tens place. Okay, now I'm taking 6 ones away from 8 ones. So I took my 6 away and I'm left with how many ones? Good. So in school we talked about different ways to check our work to make sure that we got the correct answer. I want you to think, what is one way we could check our work? How could we check our work to make sure that this is the correct answer? We could add up. Okay, so I have my math mountain. 508 is my total. I knew one of my add-ins was 346, and I just solved to get 162. Now, I need to check my work to see if it's correct. So I looked at my proof drawing and it matched what I did with the ungroup first method. Okay, so now if I add up 100 plus 300s equals 400s. Okay, that's good. 6 plus 4 equals 10 tens. 2 ones plus 6 ones equals 8 ones. So I know that my answer is correct. I checked my work.